The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTOM, have once again taken to the streets, this time with an indefinite protest to oppose the government's stepmotherly treatment to the teachers insofar as demand of their rights is concerned. On the 28th of June 2022, the Federation had organized an indefinite sit-in demonstration by camping opposite to the Main Secretariat Building, which is the seat of administration in the state. It may be mentioned that the Federation had demanded from the government the enhancement of salary, annual increment against salary, and inclusion of all ad hoc teachers into the deficit pattern. Speaking to Media Plus, the spokesperson of FASTOM, Lingdo, expressed the despair and dejection that teachers are currently experiencing due to the unresponsiveness of the state government towards their long-pending and rightful demands.
The reason why we are here in the middle of the night opposite to the Secretariat and we are determined to sleep here on the streets is because the agreement that we had with the state government, that is where on the 12th of May we came into an agreement that the government will fulfill our demands. That is the word that is being given by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of the officer to the government of Meghalaya from education, that is Sir D.P. Walang. He stated that the government needed 3 cabinet meetings to fulfill our demands. So we also got a written agreement from them in terms of the minutes, and we were just waiting for the government to fulfill our demands. However, even after the 3rd cabinet meeting that was held yesterday, we realized that the government has no intentions of even fulfilling our demands. It did not even care or respect our demands, and it seems as if that the government is playing some kind of game of pretension to forget. So even before this, that is on the 12th of June, I had written an open letter to the state government, that is to the Chief Minister and to the cabinet ministers, stating that should the government not fulfill our demands, then we will be back on the streets, and this time we are going to sleep on the streets. So based on that, we will not move from here. We will sleep here. It is indefinite. We will continue to do this until the government is compelled to give us what we deserve. If the students should lose anything, I want the students, the parents, and everyone who is watching this to understand that we are just fighting for our rights, and we are also looking for support from you, because it's like we have been a fish on dry land. We are looking to gas air, and right now we are really helpless. So we are really looking for your support. Please come forward, and may you also lend your hand, and please do not judge us for being here on the streets. So it broke my heart that people are really coming out, and this fight that we have is genuine. It's not political. It is something that we've been fighting for, and the teachers that we are fighting for are those who have served for the last 15 years, then 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, and they are earning as low as 12,000. And if you take a look at what I get, I actually get 24,000 because I teach in the higher secondary section. And when I look at the teachers whose like their service is longer than the life that I have lived on this earth, they are earning half of what I'm earning. It's really heartbreaking, and to see them here on the streets, it's really breaking my heart. But what can I do? Like, the only thing that I can do right now is, I have to be here with them. I have to fight for them, and I do not know what is going to happen tomorrow, but we are determined that we will have to win this fight. It's not for me. I still have many more years left for me to apply for a job in the government sector. Right now, the government has also raised to 37 years. So I have a lot of time to apply. I can study and then I can apply for a job, but then these teachers cannot. So it's like we are here fighting for them.